One big problem with the Lost and Founds that I do not see people talking about, that I personally am worried about with the Lost and Founds, is problems. There's a few problems with the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1 that I do not see anybody talking about. We have to get into this. You have a chance to get a pair of Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do is like this video, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Follow Saucy Souls on Instagram. His link is down below in the description. And then DM me proof, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof on Instagram that you guys did everything to enter the free giveaway for a pair of Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s in your size. This free giveaway ends at the end of December. I'll be picking the winner around New Year's, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair. And please watch out for scammers. All these other fake accounts are going around. Please watch out for scammers. Check the account. None of this craziness is me. Please watch out. Do not get scammed. I'm not on WhatsApp. I'm not on Telegram. None of that. So please watch out. Don't get scammed. And good luck on a free pair of Lost and Founds. In the background of today's video, I have these custom sneaker posters made by Ellie Iko. Check these out. This is the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1 poster. And then we have the UNC 4 poster as well, with the Gotham screen, text on the bottom, very high quality prints. These are great gifts for the holidays. They're very affordable, and right now for Christmas you guys can actually buy 3 of them for the price of 2, and you guys get 10% off using my discount code Danny10. So make sure you guys click my link down below in the description. Check out Ellie Iko for high quality custom sneaker prints. Pick out your favorite one. They have all your favorite sneakers, all your hype sneakers. If you're shopping for a sneakerhead, they will love this for their room. It's a great high quality poster. They're very, very affordable, and they're great for sneakerheads. Check them out with my link down below in the description. The frames are sold separately. In my sneaker room, I love putting posters up, so I think these are straight fire, perfect for my sneaker room, and I'm sure for a lot of you out there as well. So make sure you guys go ahead and check out Ellie Iko with my link down below. Thank you, Ellie Iko, for sponsoring today's video. These are straight fire custom posters. I absolutely love them. Make sure you guys check them out. They're very high quality. The first problem we have to talk about with the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s is the price. Expensive. That's the word. Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s are expensive, and since release, they've only become more expensive, touching $440, almost $500 in the bigger sizes. They're at like $475, which is absolutely crazy. Market has only gone up. It's been quick. It's been very quick to see the Lost and Founds go up in price. It's actually scary how quick these have actually went up. When will they stop? Who knows, because market continues to go up. They're in demand. People truly want the Lost and Founds, and they want multiple pairs. The Lost and Founds are a good hold, and I think they'll continue to be a good hold. It's a very good Air Jordan 1. Now we have to talk about the next problem with these, which happens to be, when are we getting these again? It's been 7 years since we last saw the Chicago Air Jordan 1. 7 years. That's a long time. We've had a bunch of new sneakerheads come into the game since. And of course, we had the Last Dance documentary back in 2020, which really caused the Chicago colorway to skyrocket in hype, price, demand, all of it. We saw 2015 Chicago 1s go from what, like $700 all the way up to $2,000, which is absolutely crazy. And well, the hype absolutely went through the roof on the Chicago colorway. 7 years is a long time, so who knows when we're gonna see the Chicago Air Jordan 1 again? Who knows? We may not see it for another 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. If Jordan Brand wants to, they can put it in the vault, not touch it again for a long time. Who knows when we're gonna get them again? If that does wind up happening, expect demand, prices through the roof. As time goes on, more and more expensive. Sizing. We have to talk about sizing. I have tried these on and wore them around the house. I have not worn them outside yet. The reason I haven't worn them outside yet is because I'm waiting to film a video. I'm doing a video where I wear these every single day for a long period of time. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that video and make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. But wearing these around the house, I will say that they're a little tight. Good toe box room. It actually feels very good around the toe, but around here, right where the leather comes up against your toe on both sides, especially this side, it does come up and feel a little tight. I do recommend going up half a size if you can, if that's something that you're willing to do. If not, just go your normal size and I guess lace them a little bit looser or just deal with it, break it in. I'm sure as you break it in, it'll get more comfortable, but it is a little bit annoying over here for me wearing them just around the house. After all, it is a new shape. This is a new design, a new cut for the Air Jordan 1. So it could, and it does, to me, a little bit fit. A little bit different than a normal Air Jordan 1. True to size for the most part, but that little area there is bothering me. So maybe half a size up for me personally, and maybe some of you guys out there too. Try them on. I know it's not really possible, but try on a pair if you can before you buy them, because that is definitely a little bit annoying to me, but the toe box feels really good. And if you're gonna wear your lost and founds like I'm going to, I highly recommend putting on drip grip sole protectors on the bottom of your Air Jordan 1s or any sneaker to keep the bottom in great condition even after you wear the sneaker. So right here, I have it on a pair of my off-white Nike Dunks. So as you guys can see, all that dirt, grime, and everything that's on the bottom is actually on the sole protector and not the actual bottom of my sneaker. So when I peel this off, this sneaker is gonna have a brand new bottom. I can then put on a new sole protector and continue wearing them. You have multiple wears, no tears. There's also grip on the bottom of the sole protector, which is great. So make sure you guys check them out and put them on the bottom of your lost and found Air Jordan 1s, because this outsole does have some design to it. You do have that like old effect to it. And if you wanna keep that effect on there, drip grip is the best way to do it. Click my link down below in the description and use my code Danny10 for 10% off. One big problem with the lost and founds that I do not see people talking about, that I personally am worried about with the lost and founds, is how are these gonna look over time? With the crackling details, the aged look to the Jordan 1, how are these gonna look in 5, 10, 15, even 20 years from now? Nike took the theme of reimagining the Jordan 1, what it would look like back in the day, and well, here it is. Well, how are these actually gonna look in 20 years from now? Probably disgusting, I'm gonna be honest. I think they're gonna look really bad in 20 years from now, because the pairs from back in the day, 1985, even 1994, they look aged like this now. Well, if this is the new pair, how are these gonna look in 20 years, guys? This is an old pair of Jordan 1 breads. These are from 2013. As you can see, I've worn them a crap ton. The shape is not even the same. These are absolutely beat and destroyed. But guys, look how old these look. And they're from 2013 and I wore them a lot, right? A crap ton. Well, if you wear these a crap ton, what in the world are these gonna look like? I'm worried a little for the lost and founds in the future. This is, you know, years away, but how are they gonna look and hold up over time, especially if you wear them a lot? Is the crackling effect eventually gonna fall off? Is it gonna crackle off? Is it gonna be able to like scratch it off and come off the sneaker? We'll have to wait and find out when I wear them all the time. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. Smash that like button and make sure you guys subscribe. I haven't seen many people talk about what are these gonna look like in 10, 20 years from now. Who knows? We'll have to wait and see. In 10, 20 years from now, it's not gonna have a good look in my opinion. I think it'll look too aged at that point. Well, like, that's not even, what the heck is that? That's too much, if you know what I mean. But for now, the vintage aged look, I think it's a great looking sneaker and I'm excited to wear them. They're very, very good. It's a great pair of Air Jordan 1s. Don't sleep on the lost and found Air Jordan 1s. There's some problems that people are not talking about, and I had to expose you guys to those problems with the lost and found Air Jordan 1s. You still have a chance to get a pair of lost and found Air Jordan 1s. Like this video, smash that subscribe button, and leave a comment. Let me know your size in the lost and found Air Jordan 1. Follow me and Saucy Souls over on Instagram. Instagram, and then DM me proof, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys subscribe to my channel and follow us both on Instagram. Good luck on the Lost and Found Air Jordan 1 giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys smash that like button for me, and make sure you guys subscribe. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.